Hello everyone, today I'm excited to share a huge project that I've been working on. I am doing my DIY dream home office makeover. If you like home projects, DIYs and all things home related, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out of all DIY's projects. This is the room that we are working with. It's a great space adjacent to the dining room. When we purchased the home, I knew this was a great space to have it as a home office. I envisioned having built-ins, a beautiful design, since it's an open space and one of the first rooms that you see when you walk into our home. This was a project to do in the near future, but I recently found a set of 4 bookshelves, yes, 4, on Facebook Marketplace that I couldn't pass on. It's very rare to find a set of bookshelves, so we drove an hour away from home to take a look, and they were perfect for our space.
I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way.
Back home, I removed everything from the room and I was ready to take measurements of all the walls. I also made a mood board to have an idea of what I wanted. So here are a set of 2, and we rearranged to pick up the other 2 another day since all 4 didn't fit on our pickup truck. This gave me some time to decide on what color I wanted to paint them. I really like all the moody home office painted in dark colors from wall to baseboards, but since this is an open space, like I said, I decided to paint the bookshelves in white and then the rest of the walls in another color, which you are going to help me to choose later on. As you can see, these bookshelves are in great condition, solid wood, and it brings built-in lights, which is amazing. It has an arch design and all the details in the wood gives this so much character. So I'm going to remove the knobs and give it a nice clean with alcohol, a little bit of soap and water to remove any dust and have it prep with a little bit of painting. Okay, so I'm going to be using this product to patch some of the holes. So before I remove the doors, I am covering those little holes from the nails. Since we're not going to sand too much, this one was when we brought it here that it got scratched a little bit, so this will work. This is the primer that I'm going to be using. I used this product before and it's amazing. It's the next day and these have their first coat of primer. I actually went back after doing the second one and I added a little bit more on the doors. So I am definitely doing a second coat and I can't wait to get the other set. Now let's take a trip to Home Depot to figure out what paint we are going to choose. So these are the colors that I'm gonna be testing on the walls. This is the one that I paint on the foyer and in my bedroom. Okay, so let me show you the importance to go and get samples of the paint, because this one here, it looks darker, and then here is lighter. I don't know if you can tell. And then the same thing with that one. This one's giving me more like really light cream, and this one is actually darker. It's called Roman Plaster. So I'm gonna test it out on the walls. Okay, so this is the Roman Plaster. And this one is the creamy mushroom. It's so hard. This is by far my biggest project yet. Lots of planning to do. Please let me know in the comments what color should I choose, either the lighter one, Roman Plaster, or creamy mushroom. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Inspiration by CP, where I'll be posting stories and highlights of this makeover. This is a sneak peek of next video, part 2 of this home office makeover. Thank you all for being here. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.